All right, everyone. TikTok finally released a feature called Adjust Clips. I just noticed it today, and we're going to go over how to use it. First, how you use it is you have to start recording a video, okay? You could also do this with uploaded videos too, but you can't do record and then upload a video or upload a video then record. I don't know. It's just what TikTok does. But first, let's record something short, okay? My keyboard, right? Do. Boop. Right? Now, I'm going to record another clip. My mask for when I was in a band. I played guitar and had a great time. Okay? That's my third one. Or second. Now let's do a third one. Okay? Her up there. Woo! Right? Okay. Now, when you press check mark, it brings you to the next normal screen as a content creator. And what's new on this screen is adjust clips. It's on the top right-hand corner up here, right? Well, what you're going to do is press it. Now it's going to, when you press play, it's going to line up all three videos in a row. And what's cool is, at the bottom, you can actually change the order now. Okay, so you tap and hold, and you can put them in. Oops. No, my phone went silly. You could tap and hold and adjust them, right? Any way you want. It's like I'm playing a puzzle right now. Anyway, you can adjust them any order you want. Now, to one up and further this, you can actually take one of these clips, tap it. Now, for example, on this clip, I just want me moving the camera around. Okay, I don't want the non-movement parts, and I want to take them out. How you do that is, you first tap on it, and it brings you to here. While you're in this screen, you can press the red bar and scroll it over until where your designated spot that you want the clip to start showing. All that black there will be cut out. You go on the other side, do the same thing. Okay, now I got it to where my camera is consistently moving. Perfect. That's what I was looking for. Check mark, right? All right, this is one of my keyboard. I don't want it. I'm going to just delete it. You tap on it, and you press delete. And now it's gone forever. You cannot bring it back. I've tried it before. I was messing with this to getting used to it before I made this. Once you delete it, it's gone. You can't do anything. Like, it's like when you press back and then press X, and it's gone. And now I got the video how I want it. I want that mask part a little shorter, so I'm going to just trim this slightly. I made the whole video a little shorter now. That's it. Fairly simple, but a powerful tool. Like, for example, if I want to go from OC to non-OC, I can do that now. But now if I want to do two videos, I can just literally flip it. It's really cool. I hope you all enjoyed this guide. And if you have any suggestions, tips, or guides you want made, let's hit me in the comments. I'm really good at getting back to you really quickly. So hit me up, keep on TikToking, and have a good day. Peace.